discover the health benefits and how to use the Spine Nap Traction Pillow for cervical and thoracic spine relief. The Spine Nap is designed to replace the hands of a physiotherapist in a home environment. This traction pillow works to effectively relax connective tissues around the head, neck, spine, and throughout the body. The Spine Nap is carefully designed with grooves to target the cervical spine and thoracic spine pressure point. Together, they work to relieve tight muscles and improve range of motion. The Spine Nap structure aligns with the skull and neck pit, allowing the neck spine to expand and relieves pinched nerves. Technique 1 provides relief for the cervical and thoracic spine. Lie down on your back facing up with a straight posture. Then, rest the back of your head on the back of the head pressure points. Align your chin with your forehead or lower. And rest for 10 to 20 minutes in a fully relaxed state. This technique puts the body into traction, stretches shortened muscles, unblocks blockages, and relieves pain and muscle tension. To begin technique 2 for using the Spine Nap, bend your arms and raise your hands to the side of your head, palms facing up. This method focuses on stretching the chest muscles and releasing the upper part of the spine. It is important to note that shortened chest muscles may be the cause of cervical spine pain, so it is necessary to stretch them. Technique 3 targets your thoracic spine pressure point. This method works to effectively release your blocked thoracic spine. It is ideal for applying to stiff muscles on the back. Slowly move your body up to place your back on the cervical spine pressure part of the Spine Nap. For maximum pressure on your back, lock your fingers behind your head, tuck your chin in, and slowly roll up while raising your hip. It is also important to note that this technique is not suitable for hypermobile people. Use precaution as this places great pressure on the back. If you feel acute pain or discomfort, stop this technique immediately.